Oh my God! Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to catch those, man. That's not a yeah. You got me under something. Is there a pylon back there again? Pull him up.
Oh no, he's up. He's up. I think he got tangled up.
Oh, tango?
No, he, on himself, on his leg or something.
You got him? I'm gonna feel some wrapper on something down there.
No, yeah. You got to keep bringing.
Bring this way. Watch it, guys. Let me go out that way.
It's right here, come on. There you go. There you go. It's right there.
Small one. It'll be alright. Oh! Ah, it's
It hurts.
Fight it, fish. Ah!
Oh, wow.
Fight it, fish right there. Hey, he's swimming to the pilot, so you can't let him go there. Come this way, yeah. Come this way, yeah. Reel. Swim me this way too, reel back. Yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta pull him up.
That would feel a strong guy, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, you
Flip
snag
it,
him on
flip
there.
it.
Pull him over there. There we go.
Good job. Oh, you did awesome, bro.
Yeah, you can put him down and take the hook off.
Yeah, you can put him down. Yeah. Pull some of the drag. Let's unhook this one.
Oh,
There you go. You're good.
Nice.
Damn, good job, man. Awesome.
Tougher than I expected.
Yeah.
That's a small guy too.
That's a small guy, so you might need that. You gotta do the work, man.
Yeah, you gotta complete the jump.
Yeah, you gotta do the work. You gotta hold him harder than that. You gotta put pressure on him, else he's gonna flick over and yeah. And then yeah, no, just kick over here where you want to go.
You need me to flip it for you? No. You said last time. Oh, you got goldfish. Goldfish.
I got. King over here today.
Yo, for real. Oh, and he's the king of not flipping his fish up, too.
Yeah, come on.
Oh my god.
It's got like 9 lines on it.
Looks like a whole mess of shit.
Thank you.
Oh, you good. Come on, get him in. Alright, watch out. Yeah. Damn, the bonefish, yeah. Going down.
We gotta pat it. She loves turtles.
Yeah, they got a net.
Can we take him up?
Yeah.
You've got to. I don't know who that is. He's going behind it. Oh, damn it.
Alright, Lily, come on.
Wait,
Hold on.
what was your bait? Shrimp.
He ate it too, huh?
Shrimp.
Oh my God! Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to catch those, man. That's not a yeah. He got me under something. Is there a pylon back there? I can't see.
Oh no, he's up. He's up. I think he got tangled up.
Oh, he's tango?
No, on himself, on his leg or something.
You got him?
Sea turtle.
I don't know. I feel like I'm wrapped around something down there.
No, yeah,
bring him there, good,
yeah,
bring
yeah.
him
You got to keep bringing.
Bring him this way. Watch it, guys. Let me go out that way.
It's right here, come on. There you go. There you go. It's right there.
Small one.
It'll be alright.
Oh, it's
Yeah, that hurts.
Yep. You got him. You got him.
There you go.
Oh, he's too big. He's too big. Aye. Come on. Shoot. Let's try this again. Sorry, you gotta get out of the way for a minute.
Ooh.
I don't know if he's in his mouth or not, man.
Yeah. No, you need to get under him. Under. Oh, he flipped.
Watch out,
Yeah,
watch out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come on, you. We're trying to help you.
Almost there. Oh,
Aye.
there you go. There you go. Look up.
Whoa!
Yay!
Yay!
Help him. Give me that. Yeah. Somebody's gotta help him.
Someone's line's on here.
What might be it?
Ate it. Wow, it's heavy.
Got a sea turtle here.
Grab the net. Grab the net. That's a big one. Wow.
Oh,
All right, somebody got some pliers or something. Let's get this off of him.
Look at that. Look at that. Look.
Watch out.
Gotta be careful. You might gonna.
Get the one on his foot if you can, bro.
See that? Oh,
Come here, get some pliers.
nice.
Get some pliers.
Oh,
Alright, that one's out. Watch out. Alright, cut that one. So you want to cut it? I ain't trying to hurt the turtle.
Yeah, cut it.
Okay, who got a plier?
Anybody?
I got a little nose.
Knife? Everybody?
No, that's too short. You gonna cut it? Don't leave that in your mouth. Don't leave that in your mouth.
You need pliers? I think
You got a plier?
Yeah,
something like that, please.
Pull it.
We can get that out.
Yeah, get it out.
Man. Oh,
got a video?
God, it's a good.
What is this? What kind of turtle?
Yeah.
You the sea turtle.
Look, here's a. Can you get the
Right here.
hook?
It's got it right there.
If you can get the hook, get it.
Yeah, you gotta get in
He's
there.
gonna bite it though.
Get in there.
That's fine. Let him bite it. Watch out. Don't put your hand that close. Don't put your hand in there. He's.
Maybe use another
We
two.
gotta get him off his back
And
too.
then, yeah, and get him
Hold
off
that
his
wood right there. Put in on it right there. Yeah. That's
back.
right there.
you
Yep.
go. Now you get it.
Twist a little bit of wood.
There we
Twist the
go.
wood. Yep. Like that. Other side. Let it open first.
Let's take your time. I got it right.
He's okay. He's got a
Wow.
amount of time.
There you go.
Time.
We might have to.
I gotta hold this neck right here.
You ain't that strong.
Hold it
bro.
right here. Yeah.
You got him?
Yep. Got it.
Go down there.
Oh,
he's.
yeah.
Almost there.
Put a line to him.
Hold on. Hold this way here. I help the guy.
Need to, yeah.
You got it. You got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright.
Right here.
Go.
Okay. Wait. Put the wood.
At least get the wood, the bead out.
The wood in between of that.
Shove it.
All the way the wood here.
That end.
All the way over here. The wood. It's right there.
Come here.
Hold on.
Yes.
Let him open again.
Okay. Open. Like that.
Alright.
I think we should name him.
Give me.
Yeah. Let somebody can see from that side. Take from that
Hey, you
side.
must go to pick.
Surgery. All the juice.
Take my.
Be careful.
Yeah.
There we go.
Almost there.
Nah, don't
Almost
hold him.
there.
Let him hold the wood. That's
Can you hold this, please?
That's messing with his jaw.
Yeah, don't pinch his jaw.
Don't pinch his jaw with
Yeah,
that.
no.
You can take that one out. Okay.
Right there.
That one's messing with his jaw.
Almost there.
Come on.
Almost. There you go.
Yep.
Yeah, turn it.
Yep.
Turn it to me.
Yeah. Hold on.
Twist it toward. Go this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some certain thing you're supposed to do with them.
Okay.
You guys got another set of pliers, anybody?
To cut the tip off.
Can we cut?
We're trying to get, we don't want the bead in his mouth.
Hold on.
The bead's out of his mouth. Keep the bead out of his mouth.
They all walk up there.
Almost there. Put the wood in.
Put your wood. Put your wood in.
Come on.
Almost there.
Gotta get him back in.
Yeah.
Watch your finger.
Yeah. I got you. I'm gonna twist this thing.
I think we should name him.
Got it.
Yep.
You want to name him?
Got it.
Yeah.
Rotate.
Almost there.
Come on, buddy.
Come on.
All right, take your
Walk
time.
with
dude. He'll be all right.
I don't like
He
him
has
on his back.
time. His time.
He'll be all right.
You're not. Got it.
Got
Got it.
Woohoo!
Good job. Somebody grab the picture pole real quick.
Thanks.
Here, I got it. Take the line down.
I don't know what his name, but you can put. You can make it.
Oh, grab that. Watch your finger. Watch your finger.
And the net, yeah.
She worked at an aquarium. It's all right.
Okay, put him back. Put him back.
Keep him on his back?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lady.
Somebody grab that.
Oh, yeah.
Is yours?
Yeah.
I just named him.
Watch.
Yep. I named him Aaron.
Don't drop it.
Why?
Join you over here. Yeah.
Goodbye, Aaron. Goodbye, Aaron.
You can leave it. I get it, and you grab the next one. Yeah. There we go. Huh? Yeah. Couple inches. Come on, bud. Hey. Oh. Good job, man. I think I got somebody in line. Yeah, got somebody in line. Nope, I got a fish.
You got fish?
Yeah.
All right. Little pump?
Yeah.
Yellow pump. You want that? You good?
Yeah, it looks like. Oh yeah.
Look, you got the right kind. Yes, sir.
Nice one.
Look at you.
Look at you. That's a nice spot, right?
Yeah.
So what? They're very good eating.
Yeah, very good eating.
That's right here. I've never tried it. Cool. Awesome.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
You want a picture?
That's the right kind.
No, I caught these too many times. Mess up my line. He's been sitting there the whole time while messing with the turtle.
Yeah, he was waiting.
Excuse me. What kind of fish is it?
This is a pompano.
Oh, is it? Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Is that big? Is that big enough to
Yeah.
keep?
Yep. Yep.
Oh, no, it's not. Oh! Oh, something trying to eat him. I think it's a bonefish. Oh, it's a mac.
You got a mac. Nice.
Watch out.
Oh, you got two.
Double mac.
Bonefish and mac.
Bone in a mac. That's fucking
Hey,
awesome.
you gotta take this for Lindell.
Take a video of that shit.
Hey, first ever bull and mac
Yeah.
on the Pompano Reef.
On the pompano rig. Nice ball too, good size.
I know. Wow.
That's awesome. So cool. Yes, sir.
Just going back.
Didn't get your name yet.
Yeah. Hold on, let me take a picture of my bonefish, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a picture for me?
Yeah, man. I got a whole video
Oh,
for you.
take a picture. You send it to me, yeah. And the mac too.
You gotta hold it if you want a picture.
Your name of it?
You guys just hold it, man. It's a bonefish.
I need your name.
Oh yeah, two. Two for two.
That's pretty cool.
All right.
I've never seen that shit before.
Nice. All right. You got enough? Yeah. Throw him back quick. He's not going back. Yeah, because I saw two. I'm like, that's not pompano. That's on the freaking pompano
It's
Jeep.
all pink.
don't mess with it. Come on, come on, come on.
What kind of fish is it?
Bonefish.
Eating? Good eating fish?
No.
or not?
Yeah. Not for me.
Yeah, I bet it.
$500 if they catch you with that.
Easy, easy, easy. Go front. Go in the front. Go front.
Go over top of it.
Flip it on the side.
Ooh.
That was a tough battle.
Pick up your fish, man.
Finally, the shoulder workouts.
I think he saw that hook. You might have to cut
But
it.
I hope we told you, man.
Yeah.
That's your fish. You're a fisherman now. You're gonna have to pick your fish, take the hook out.
I'll wait till it's stops walking around.
He's not gonna. What? You waiting for him to die?
Yeah.
It's okay. Bleed him out. I need a picture with the bonefish.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Three, two, one.
And get another angle.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
You got the whole bonefish? Here, take one like this.
Oh, there you go.